everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Temu account completely. No longer want to shop on Temu and you don't have use for that account. You want to stick to the end of this video because I'll be showing you how to delete it completely. Now the first thing is to be on your Temu app. Now after that, you're going to be tapping on the U icon, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on settings. It's at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you want to click on account security. At the bottom of your screen, you will see an option that says delete your Temu account. Now you're going to be tapping on that, and then you're going to read through what Temu has written here for a better understanding. Now if you understand this, you want to put a check mark on I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then you're going to click on continue. It's going to ask you for reasons for the delete. Why are you deleting your account? So you can choose any of the reasons here that goes with it. I'm just going to tap I don't want to provide a reason, and I will continue. Temu really needs to make sure it is you that wants to delete your account, so it's going to be asking for an email verification code. After putting in the code, you have 7 business days to actually decide if you actually want to cancel your request and keep your account, or if you don't want, after 7 working days it will be permanently signed out and deleted. This is how you can actually delete your Temu accounts completely. Now, did you find this video helpful? Click on the subscribe button to follow us for more useful videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.